In this video, we're going to be looking at how to differentiate polynomials. So we have a function here, y equals ax to the power of n, and the derivative function y dash is an x to the power of n minus 1. So what that means is you multiply the coefficient with the power, and then you take 1 away from the power. So now let's apply this to our function here. We have y equals 3x squared plus 5x plus 8. So the derivative function y dash is 3 times 2 is 6. And then you take 1 away from the power, which gives you just x. And this one, the power is 1, times by the coefficient 5 gives us 5. And when you take 1 away from the power, you're left with x to the power of 0, which is equivalent to 1. So we just have 5 there. Now 8. Numbers differentiate to 0 because they are constant and there is no change. There's no rate of change with constants. You could also think of it as there is an x to the power of 0, which is equivalent to 1. Now, if you multiply 0 by 8, that makes the term there 0. So you can just remember numbers differentiate to 0. So now let's apply this to questions where they are in surd form. So if you have a function y equals 6th root of x, so the first thing you want to do is rewrite it as x to the power of 1 over 6. Now, so the derivative function y dash will be 1 over 6 because the coefficient is 1 and the power is 1 over 6. And x to the power of 1 over 6 take away 1. That gives you negative 5 over 6. You could leave it like that, or if you wanted to rewrite it, you could write it as 1 over 6 x to the power of 5 over 6, and then you could further rewrite it in surd form as 6th root of x to the power of 5. Now, let's look another question. So here we have the x term in the denominator. So first we're going to rewrite it again. It's going to be 4 over 5 x to the power of negative 3. So the power is negative 3 and the coefficient is 4 over 5. So the derivative function y dash is negative 12 over 5 x to the power of negative 3, take away 1, which gives you negative 4. You can then rewrite it as negative 12 over 5x to the power of 4. Okay, now if you had a function which was not simplified yet, so the first thing you'd want to do is expand it and simplify. So y dash in this case is 2x squared minus 8x plus 3x minus 12, and then simplify it further, 2x squared minus 5x minus 12. Now, sorry, I should change that to y, not y dash. Now, y dash, now I'm differentiating. So that's going to be 4x minus 5. And there you have it. This is the basic skill that you must be able to master before you move on to applying them.